Question number third from exercise 11.7. Now first part of the question is, if the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0 and 3x minus ky plus 11 is equals to 0 are parallel, then find the value of k. Slope of first line is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. It means m1, slope of first line is denoted by m1. m1 is equals to minus coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 3. In the same way, slope of second line m2 is equals to, by using the same formula, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, then we get coefficient of x is 3 with negative sign minus coefficient of x, the value of coefficient of x is 3 and the coefficient of y is minus k. After solving we get 3 by k. Since line 1 and 2 are parallel, therefore m1 is equals to m2. Now value of m1 is minus 2 by 3 is equals to 3 by k. After solving we get minus 2k is equals to 3 3s are 9, k is equals to minus 9 by 2. Second part of question number third is, if the line 3x minus 7y plus 13 is equals to 0 and kx plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0, the given line are perpendicular to each other, then find the value of k. This is the first line, this is the second line, is given by in the form of equation. Now first line means slope of the first line, denoted by m1 by using the same formula, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, minus coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is minus 7. m1 m1 is equals to 3 by 7. Slope of second line denoted by m2 is equals to minus coefficient of x is here x, coefficient of x is k, and coefficient of y is 2. Since line 1 and 2 are perpendicular to each other, therefore m1 m2 multiple gives minus 1. m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Now substituting the value of m1 is 3 by 7 into m2 minus k by 2 is equals to minus 1. It means minus 3k upon 14 is equals to minus 1. Minus sign is cancelled out by the cancellation rule. Then k is equals to 14 by 3. This is the required answer.